Good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel Maven Pixels. Into this tutorial I'm just going to quickly show us how to create Instagram carousel. So without further much ado, earlier today I worked on a brand on a carousel for a brand. So I posted it on my status and a lot of people were like, oh bro, how did you create that seamless Instagram carousel on Photoshop and all of that? So I'm just going to quickly show us that in this video. I'll make sure that this video is not even up to 10 minutes. I'll try my best. So without further much ado, let's just get into it. So the first thing first is to get your size right. To get your size right. So this was the design I was working on earlier today. So as we all know, normally now to create Instagram carousel design, no ad. Now you stress yourself. So the size for Instagram carousel design is 1080 by 1350. 1080 by 1350, as we all know, 1080 by 1350. So if I'm creating a slide of a carousel of 5 slides or 10 slides, this one is 1 2 3 4 5. This is a 5 slide. If I'm creating that, so I'm just simply going to times my width. You know that the width is from here like this to this side. That's the width. So I'm just going to come over here to my calculator. Then the width is 1080. I'm creating 5 slides times 5, so I have 5400. Then my height is going to stay the same way, which is 1350. So what I'm just going to do is create new documents. Come to over here, create new documents. This was the one I was working on before. So 5400 here, 1350. Then your resolution and any other settings you do here, I don't know how you guys go about it. So this is my own settings for now. Then I click on create. Then once I click on create, now I want you guys to know something. You know, if you are designing, let's say maybe you don't have any idea, the most possible way that you are going to do it is that you are going to come to rectangle, create a new let me give it black, create a new rectangle, give it 1080 by 1350. That's what you are going to do. Then you now be resizing it, you be duplicating it one by one like this and all of that. So to save you all that stress, what you are just going to do is create a guide. What's a guide? All this ruler here is a guide. Every ruler is here is a guide. So how do you create a new guide? You come over to this view. First of all, let me clear all the guide here. So I'm going to click on clear guides. So to do that, you come over to this view, then click on guide, then new guide layout. Again, you come over to view, click on guide, new guide layout. Now you know I said that this one was 1000 times 5 here. So I'm going to change my row. This row, you know how this row from here like this is row, y column is from up to down like this. This one is from left to right, or from right to left is row, then from up to down, that's a column. So the number of column I'm having here is 5. If it's that I'm designing a carousel of 7 slides, the number of my column will be 7. So I'll just automatically create this guide. Then I can leave this color this way. I click on OK. Once I click on OK, I start my design. I bring in my elements, I bring in my stuff. So let me just copy this one. Let me copy. I'm coming. Okay, let me leave it. Let me copy it. Then let me paste this design here. So I've done my design already. Some of this place that came inside, I just created a empty rectangle, then power clip inside, so it will not go outside. So once I have my design ready like this, then how do I go about exporting it? I've designed it like this. If I export normally, it's going to come out as a blank straight document. So how do I export? Now you come over to this crop tool. You see this crop tool here? This is how your own is going to look like. So you come over under this crop tool, you see slice. Click on slice. Now if I click on slice, I can just be slicing this thing section by section like this. 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 6 and all of that. So to save myself that stress, I'm just going to come over to slice from guide. Once I click on slice from guide, this slice from guide here, if I click on it now, you see all these blue points. It has automatically sliced that document for me into each guide. So from here, from this side to this side is 1, from this side to this side is 1, from this side to this side is 1. That's created that guide for me. Let me go right the back. So it has created that slice already for me. Now to export. Now this is the most hard part of it. Let's say I want to export now. Be looking. You want to export it each slides. You come over to this export, then save for web legacy. Are you understanding? Let me go back again. You come over to export. I'm coming. The document is a bit of MB. That's why it's hanging a little bit. And my system is not that great like that. So you come over to here, export, then you click on save for web legacy. Now I've clicked on that. I've clicked on save for web legacy. This is it here. Let's just wait a bit for it to load. Okay, so my document is up. Now this is the document. You see each slice here. Now to export, you know, at this place your own might be automatically GIF. It might be GIF here. What do? You click on it, you click on PNG24. Once you click on PNG24, let's just say normally this is how you do it. Then you click on save. Once you click on save, this is the folder. I created it under this JJJ, a random folder. Now this is what is going to save as untitled. Now make sure your own is selected as all slice here, all slice. Then you click on images only. No need for HTML or any other thing. Images only. Then you click on save. So once you click on save, now I want you to watch something very closely. Let's just let me wait for it to export a little bit. So yeah, it has exported finish. Let me head over. I think it's in documents. Yeah, GGG. So yeah, this is the document I just exported. So once you export it as PNG, like I said here, once you export it here as PNG, you select your colors and all of that. Once you export it as PNG, it's going to come out like this. So you see PNG file, PNG file, PNG file. Now in case your own exported as GIF, the only thing you can do is just select these slices one by one like this. Select it one by one, then you click on save. Once you click on save, just like you wanted to save it normally, then all slices, if I click on save now, it's going to bring that to replace. So I'm just going to cancel this, and I think that's the end for it. Once you click on save, you export your slices as images, and I will see you in the next one, guys.